Philippine Aluminum Wheels Incorporated, the proud manufacturer of ROTA wheels, is ready to forge a new revolution for wheel manufacturing in the Philippines.
We at ROTA are very excited to introduce the 360 Flow Forged wheel, the first ever Flow Forged wheel locally produced in the Philippines. Flow Forged wheel is a denser wheel. A denser wheel means it's lighter, it's stronger, and it's more durable. And in the case of ROTA, an affordable wheel.
The ROTA 360-degree Flow Forged wheel is a new product by Philippine Aluminum Wheels Incorporated, or PAWI, made through a new process called flow forging to create an alloy wheel, setting a new standard for quality and strength in wheels proudly made in the Philippines.
In 1976, that we established Philippine Aluminum Wheels. What I felt then was maybe it would be better to put up a factory wherein we can create more jobs for us, Filipinos. We started producing only 2,000 wheels a month at that time. So yeah, that's how it started.
Each ROTA 360-degree Flow Forged wheel starts life as virgin ingots of high-grade aluminum. The aluminum is then gravity cast in special molds and are then sent to the flow forging process that heats, spins, and forms the wheels in their final shapes. The high heat and the flow forming results in a product that is much lighter and much stronger than a standard gravity cast alloy wheel, ensuring better performance for your car.
So the 360 Flow Forge line will start with four molds at launch. So there will be 2 molds which are front and rear of a Euro-inspired split 7-spoke. And the other 2 will be a Flow Forge version of our very famous grid.
Through ROTA's vast domestic and global dealer network, customers can soon start to see, feel, and enjoy the new dawn of the art and science of wheels with a ROTA 360-degree Flow Forged wheel.
The ROTA 360 degrees Flow Forged wheels will be available on all our major dealers locally and to our distributors worldwide.
And I think our company now is very confident in producing better, modern, up-to-date wheels.